UNI-T Europe.
UTS3000A Signal Analyzer.
Welcome to Unity Training. Let's look at the phase modulation analysis and analog demodulation. First, let the signal generator send out a modulated signal with a base wave of 60 MHz and a modulated wave of 1 MHz and a phase offset of 180 degrees. Set the mode to analog modulation analysis, or DMOD. In the measurement menu, select PM Modulation. As you can see, we're displaying 4 windows here. Make sure you select which window you want to change the values on, as each window has its own set of parameters, which is noted by a blue square around the window you currently have selected. Open the frequency menu. Set the center frequency to 60 MHz. Set the sweep width to 5 MHz. Set the AF stop frequency greater than 1 MHz. At this time, both the modulation signal and the modulated wave signal can clearly be displayed, so there is no need to adjust the BW menu. Let's adjust the DMOD waveform window. Adjust the scan scale to the appropriate value needed. The horizontal scale is also more appropriate. There is no need at this time to adjust the sweep menu. With the help of peak, we can see the peak information. In the data window in the lower right corner, you can see the data analyzed. Click on the window to zoom in.